sufferings will come. The boy who was standing was telling in pain, sir. He was not saying anything lie. He is staying in Mumbai. I don't know him at all. But he is staying in Mumbai. He has to pay the rents. And similarly with everyone. Now if the centers are not focusing the way you are telling to do them, why don't you close them? Why don't you shut it down?
What happens when those who build futures are left to destroy their own? What happened when those who are working in a reputable educational company but living their lives like slaves? This is not just a story. It's a harsh reality faced by countless faculty members of FITJE. For over a year, they have endured unimaginable struggles, silently battling for the basics of life: food, shelter, dignity. And yet today, they are the ones fighting for something as simple as a meal. We raised our concerns, not for luxuries, but for basic survival. We asked for fairness. We asked for what was rightfully ours. But all we received in return was silence and threats. Imagine being told that you are to blame for the company's downfall. Imagine being abandoned after years of loyalty. Imagine working tirelessly for an institution, only to be left struggling to pay for breakfast. House rent remains unpaid. Breakfast feels like a luxury. And survival has become a daily battle. These are the people who shaped thousands of dreams, who dedicated their lives to ensuring their students reached the pinnacles of success. They sacrificed for the students. Now, they sacrifice for survival. Just watch the video clip, and I have got it very secretly. In the future, I will explore more. Just stay tuned.
Sir, sorry to speak in between. We had a conversation earlier also. You said that what is the solution? Rather than focusing on the problem which is from past few months, we are facing the same problem. No one is talking about the solution. You also asked that you tell me the solution. Sir, whatever my little mind, because I'm not an entrepreneur like you have created a system which ran for many years and it was having all the things which was needed. You were the pioneer in this industry. You have created it like a corporate model. Everything you did, the way you. The only mistake you have done, sir, I will frankly tell you, you trusted everyone and the people beside you have not let you the way you wanted it to be. Wow. I might be one of them which let you down. Yeah. But what now? Because you are also suffering and I am also suffering. And people, so many innocent people are suffering. This should come to an end. This suffering should come to an end. This is my request to you, sir. Seriously, this suffering should come to an end.
Thank you very much. And that is what...
I have a solution for that also, sir. How these sufferings will come. The boy who was standing was telling in pain, sir. He was not saying anything lie. He is staying in Mumbai. I don't know him at all. But he is staying in Mumbai. He has to pay the rents. And similarly with everyone. Now if the centers are not focusing the way you are telling to do them, why don't you close them? Why don't you shut it down?
Very
Why
right.
are you
Very right. Absolutely correct.
Why are you not letting these expenses let down? Why you are not cutting down on the expenses? Why you are not letting the managing partners with huge salary? Why you are not putting them out? Why are you not terminating me if I am not a good faculty here? Why you are not optimizing them with all the feedbacks you have? You have all the feedbacks. Why you are not terminating?
So, Miss...
Shweta Swaraj, question, sir. The people who stayed with you right now, are they asset to you or are they liabilities for you?
Nothing. Will you let me speak only?
Yes.
I admit.
Yes.
You want to speak, you can speak.
No,
I can just log off. You guys can speak.
No, sir. I have told my part. You tell me whether I am a liability or an asset to you. Because I am there with you till now.